I'm Kay Ross at Kay Ross Biz, and I just wanted to have a chat this morning about a recent survey that I did. So what I did was I asked hundreds of business women what what stopped them from doing a presentation or presenting, whether it's online or face-to-face. And their answers didn't really surprise me. A lot of women talked about being scared of getting in front of a camera, or they were terrified of talking to a group of people, whether it's 3 people or at a conference. Many of them were worried that they'd forget what they were supposed to say, or they would be judged by people in the audience, etc. So that got me to thinking, and so what I'm going to be doing is talking about how to present without tears, because if we are going to be businesswomen and needing to put ourselves out in front of people, then we need to be able to do presentations. Whether the presentations are online, such as Facebook Live, YouTube Live, making videos, or doing webinars, or whether we're face-to-face, and that's going to a meeting, presenting in front of a group, going to a conference, running a workshop, etc. As businesswomen, as solo entrepreneurs, our lives are full of opportunities when we really need to get in front of people. So the first thing I would say for people who are scared of presenting is just to get out there and practice. What I tend to do is practice in front of a camera, then play it back and watch myself as a participant, not as that awful critic who picks on absolutely everything. The next thing I'd say is it doesn't have to be perfect. Especially on the online world, we don't expect each other to be perfect. In fact, the perfect ones turn me off a bit. I look at these people and they're polished and they've obviously got a group of 20 people behind them doing the editing and doing their hair and their makeup and their clothes and all that sort of stuff. And you know what? That's not what I am. I'm a solo businesswoman, and that's where I think most of you are as well. Now, yes, we'll start getting our teams behind us, and some of you may have a team already, but we don't have thousands and thousands of dollars to present on the perfect video. So what I want us to do is, number 1, practice, and then number 2, forget perfection and forgive yourself if there's little mistakes. So stay tuned for more tips and strategies on how to present without tears, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.